Hello everyone, I'm Jim Longworth. Welcome to another edition of Triad today. Coming up later on, our infamous roundtable gets together. We'll see what those guys have to say about a wide range of topics, but between now and then, some great guests and information coming your way, including a discussion about pediatric dentistry, and we'll meet the newly elected district attorney from Guilford County, that and much, much more. But first, I want to turn our attention to life insurance. I'm not going to sell you any, but here's the thing. By and large, not always, but by and large, it's easy to buy life insurance. But there can be a problem sometimes if you or a loved one or a survivor is trying to collect on or recover benefits from a policy that you thought was fine. Those problems come up more than you think, and I think it's going to be an eye-opener for you, and it was for me when I was looking at this topic. Next to me, two gentlemen that are going to help me through this topic from the illustrious firm of Daggett, Shuler, attorneys at law. David Daggett, Griff, Shuler, welcome back, guys.
Thanks, Jim.
Did I get that introduction right, and was it accurate that people have problems with this?
It's actually staggering. Research has shown that literally billions of dollars of life insurance go uncollected or the payments are denied. And the people who they're denied to or don't collect them are the people that need them.
Absolutely.
The reason you have life insurance is if you're the income earner in a family or you're responsible for children or that sort of thing, or even to take care of your burial when you die, that the people that need those proceeds need those proceeds. That's why you have life insurance.
And the premiums have been paid, and they should be a payment back. And particularly when they're denied, oftentimes the family members don't know what to do.
That's very unsettling because I feel like it's almost like a contract that I have with the insurance company. Okay, here I'm trying to make sure my wife will be taken care of, and then if there's a problem, I guess that's why people need to go to an attorney like you or Griff.
Here's what happens is at that point in time, people are vulnerable, obviously, because they've lost a loved one. And insurance companies, their job is to make money, not pay money. So if they can find a loophole or a way to stiff arm you from collecting those benefits, they do so.
Give me an example of a loophole. What do you mean?
Well, so give you a good example that most people don't realize. You hear these ads on TV about insurance and no physical needed.
Right.
Those aren't life insurance. They're accidental death policies.
Right.
Accidental death only pays if the death was due to an accident. They find a way to say it wasn't an accident. So recently we had a client came in, the spouse is on workers' compensation, takes medication regarding his injury. Unfortunately, there was a side effect of the medication. He passes away.
Okay.
The accidental death insurance company denies that claim.
They said it was medicine.
Medicine or suicide or overdose.
Didn't fit the definition of accidental.
So what we had to do was piece together and show that this death was accidental.
Griff, what if let's say it doesn't have to be a spouse, maybe a mom or dad or somebody passes away and you're supposed to go through their papers and say, I don't even know if they have a policy. Now, can I come to you guys and you can help me figure out if there is an insurance policy?
Well, we can help kind of walk them through where they may have had that. For example, Jim, oftentimes it may be a policy that came through the employer. So sometimes we can help them kind of identify that. But that brings up a very interesting thing, which is you would think you would be able to a family to go to some, depository of all the claims for each individual person, and that doesn't exist.
Yeah, this is bad.
There's no master database.
Right.
But these claims get denied all the time. We've got lots of examples. Recent example, people paying their premiums all these years, they miss one premium, but they keep paying the premiums, don't know that they had missed and not caught up. The spouse dies, the insurance company denies the claim for the missed premium. The policies are very complicated. The law is very complicated. Sometimes it's state law, sometimes it's federal law, sometimes it's state administrative law. We're able to go back through that, show the insurance company didn't meet their obligation, and got them to pay 100%.
This is scary stuff because, all right, so if I come to you guys with one of these problems or I'm a survivor or a widow or somebody, then you can help and you can ask them for the paperwork and go through things.
Yep.
I just think it's great how you've helped people out and you've had some real success stories to help these. Up on screen, DaggettShulerLaw.com is a website I want you to check out. For the radio listening audience, again, it's DaggettShulerLaw.com. The phone number is easy to remember, 724-1234, 724-1234. Please do this. I tell you what, when I was reading about this, and David and you guys, you and Griff, sent me an email about this. I couldn't believe it that there were this many problems that people run into. And I want some peace of mind if I have life insurance, and you guys are helping with that. Thanks for doing this.
Thank
Thanks for having us.
We'll be right back after this.